Hi, creative content creators. Today I am unlocking another secret of text editing in CapCut. Stick around because I have got some fantastic tips and tricks to share. Now I will show you the best intro editing. So take a look at this video. So how was it? Did you like this video's intro editing? I hope you like it. Now let's take a look at the process for creating it. To do that, we will need to go to our mobile screen. Go to the stock videos. From here, we need to select a full black screen video. After that, we will choose the text bar and write the intro text for our video. In my case, since my video is about nature, I will write nature. After that, we need to change a font. We must have to select a very bold font and increase the size of text on our screen because the video is playing inside a text. And there you go. Now we have to export this video. Now we are again on our mobile screen and click on a new project and select a video which we want inside of our text. Now click on overlay and add overlay video which one was exported, and now adjust it on a screen like this, and there you go. Now go to the cutout option and click on chroma key and select a white side for this. Now do some setting on it. There you go. It's looking very nice and clear now. Now to make it more cool, click on keyframe. First we have to add a keyframe at this point and at this point. Now at the second keyframe, we need to zoom a video like this and again zoom in through the letter. This. Now you can see a magical video. It looks so cool. And with that, we have come to the end of this CapCut text editing tutorial. I hope you are as excited as I am to start using these tricks in videos. If you found this helpful, please show your support by liking, sharing and subscribing. Keep editing, keep creating, and stay tuned for more exciting content.